You might have seen it pop up all over Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, Melanin Glow Drops by Luxe. It's that trendy little bottle that claims to give you a glowing, sun-kissed tan without stepping outside. No creams, no sprays, no tanning beds. Just a few drops in your water each day. Sounds easy, right? But is it actually legit, or just another overhyped social media product? The idea behind Melanin Glow Drops is that they boost your body's natural melanin production from the inside out, giving your skin a deeper, bronzed tone. But here's the thing. Melanin is usually triggered by sun exposure, specifically UV rays. There's no solid scientific proof that ingredients like beta-carotene or L-tyrosine alone can create a tan without any sun. Beta-carotene might give your skin a bit of a yellow-orange tint over time, but that's not a real tan. It's more like a slight glow at best. The product also claims clinically proven results, throwing around stats like 96% of users saw a glow. But there's no study linked, no mention of who conducted it, how long it lasted, or how many people were involved. That's a major red flag when you're being asked to ingest something. And while they try to position the drops as a replacement for topical tanners, it just doesn't add up. Those use ingredients like DHA to tint your skin temporarily. An oral supplement can't do that in the same way. Digging deeper, the red flags continue. There's no company name, no physical address, no phone number, just a generic contact form. They name-drop magazines like Glamour and Cosmopolitan, but I couldn't find any real coverage. Even the product images seem off, with labels that look edited or blurry. In the end, it's a cool concept, but there's a lot missing. Always do your research, talk to a doctor, and don't fall for hype just because it's trending.